Hello guys, welcome to a new video of Python. In this video, we will talk about lists. Now lists can be very complex, but they are very important to understand. List is another data type, so before we talked about strings, integers, boolean, and float. Today we will talk about lists. So lists again are their own data type, so let's start by doing an example right now. First, we must give a meaningful name to our list. For this example, let's call it fruits. So fruits is equal square brackets. Now list is defined by using square brackets. Inside we can put a collection of data type. It can be the same data type or can be different data type. So for example, let's put apple, comma. Let's add another item, let's say banana. And maybe we will put a number as well. Now in our list we have 3 items. Everything in here separated by a comma is known as an item. So for example, our apple is an item, banana is an item, 3 is an item. You can see that we have different data types. We have 2 strings and 1 integer. Now let's just print the list. So print fruits. Let's run the program. As you can see, we got exactly what we've typed. So apple, banana, and 3. Now, if we want to access a specific item in the list, we need to do something a little different. Right now, we are just printing out the whole list. But let's say we just want to print out banana. To do that, we need to use the square brackets. So we are going to write the list name, then square brackets, no spaces, and then inside the square brackets we are going to type the index of that item. So when you create a list, everything is automatically assigned to an index. So in our list we have indexes from 0 to 2. Now you must know that computers start counting from 0. That's why our indexes started from 0 instead of 1. So Apple will be assigned the integer value 0. So if we want to access Apple, we just have to write 0 in here, because Apple is our first item. So if we want to access our second item, we have to put 1 in here. I know it is difficult to understand at first, but you must keep in mind that the indexes are starting from 0 instead of 1. So let's run and check the output. As you can see, we got banana, which is our second item in the list. Great. Now let's say we want to add an item to our list. So to do that, we have simply to write fruits dot append. So this means we want to add the item at the end of the list. So inside of the append, we will put the items that we'd like to add. So for example, let's say we want to add strawberry to our list. I'm just gonna remove 3 so it make more sense. Our initial list have 2 items, apple and banana, and we want to add strawberry to that list. So first let's print our list, and then we will print one more time after adding this item. Let's run the program. So initially we have apple and banana in our list. After adding strawberry, you can see that strawberry is added to our list. Now if we want to add another item, we can write fruits dot append. Let's say blueberry, just like this. And again, let's hit run. Great, so initial list have apple, banana, and the new list have apple, banana, strawberry, and blueberry. Great. Now one more thing before ending this video. Let's say we want to change something in our list. So let's add strawberry to our initial list. So now we have 3 items in our initial list. Now let's say we want to change the middle item to something else. So let's say we don't like banana anymore and we want to change it to something else. So to do that, we simply have to write fruits, brackets, and then the index of that item. In our case, banana have index number 1. So we will write 1 in here and then equal to our new item. So let's say we want to switch banana and replace it by blueberry. Great. Let's print one more time our fruits and run the program. As you can see, we have apple, blueberry, and strawberry. So we got apple, blueberry, and strawberry. That's because we changed banana and replaced it by blueberry. Great. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.